Hello there, and thank you for purchasing Rocket Lasso's Utility Spline Collection. Now, presumably you've purchased, you've downloaded, unzipped, and I've done the same thing, and I've got my downloads folder. Inside is the newly unzipped Utility Splines folder, traveling inside there. Presumably you're currently watching this video right now. Installing on the PC is incredibly simple. What you're going to want to do is grab this Utility Splines PC folder and copy it to some destination on your computer, wherever you like to store your plugins. It kind of doesn't matter where. Now, for me, I'm not going to move it, but yeah, move that anywhere you want. Once you've done that, travel inside the folder, and up in your Windows Explorer, I can just copy that path. Whatever that path is, that's all the information we need. Now, open the version of Cinema that you want to install in. I am inside of 2023, but this will install all the way back to Cinema 4D R20. Move into Cinema. Click Edit, Preferences, or the shortcut is Control E, which will pop open the preference window. Travel to the Plugins flyout, and inside here you need to create a new folder. The quickest way is just say Add Folder and select anything. I'll just click on this folder and double click on it and paste what we copied, which is the path to the utility splines. Having done that, I can now close down Cinema and then reopen it back up again. Once it opens back up, you can click on plugins or extensions, depending on which version of Cinema you're in, and you should see a new RKT Utility Splines folder, which is a flyout with the 5 different splines. So you can select any one of these. The quickest thing I can do is create a rectangle, drop it inside, and I'm going to say, hey, resample this with step mode, and now I can smooth this out as much as I want to, and you see how it's getting rounded. Another thing you do is click this utility drop down, and you can switch this tool automatically to the other tools if you want to switch which mode that might be in. But yeah, it's as simple as that to install your RKT utility splines. Next, I would recommend tabbing back over to your unzipped folder inside of downloads, and you will find a link to the Utility Splines help. That will bring you to a page with breakdown videos of every single parameter, all the different tools, has it all covered for you. And also there is an example files folder here. If you go inside, there are 14 different files for you to open, reverse engineer, play around, and just get a feel for the way that these tools work. So thanks again for purchasing Utility Splines, and I'll see you in a future tutorial or live stream. Bye-bye.